In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image transparent in Canva. Making an image see-through is really useful when you want to layer graphics, create subtle backgrounds, or make text easier to read over a photo. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to control exactly how strong or soft your images appear in your design. First, open your Canva design in the editor. This can be any type of design: a presentation slide, a social media post, a poster, or anything else you're working on. Once the design is open, look for the specific image you want to adjust. You can use a photo you uploaded yourself or one of Canva's built-in images or elements. Click on that image to select it. When it's selected, you'll notice that a toolbar appears along the top of the screen. This toolbar changes based on what you've selected, so if you don't see it, make sure the image is actually highlighted and not just the background or some other element. On this top toolbar, look for the transparency icon. It usually looks like a small checkerboard pattern, which is a common symbol for transparency in design tools. Go ahead and click on that icon. When you do, a slider or drop-down will appear, allowing you to adjust how transparent or opaque the image is. Now, this part is all about control. If you drag the slider to the left, you'll make the image more transparent. That means it will fade and blend more into the background, which is great if you want to place text on top or create a subtle watermark effect. If you drag the slider to the right, you'll make the image more opaque, meaning it appears stronger, bolder, and more solid in your design. As you move the slider, keep an eye on your canvas so you can see the changes happen in real time. Take a moment to find the balance that works best for your layout. You can always come back and readjust it later if you change your mind. Once you're happy with the transparency level, simply click anywhere outside the slider to close it and continue editing your design as usual. That's all there is to it. With this simple transparency control, you can add depth, readability, and a more professional, layered look to any Canva project.